Let's face it, we've all wondered what sets the truly wealthy apart. What makes them tick? Is it just luck, inheritance, or some secret society we haven't been invited to? I'm here to tell you, it's none of those things. It all boils down to mindset. The wealthy view money as a tool, an ally in creating the life they desire. They understand that time is their most precious resource, so they make conscious choices to protect it and leverage it to their advantage. They're not afraid to invest in themselves and their future. Over the next few chapters, we'll unlock secrets the wealthy use to create lasting financial freedom. What's the one asset you can't put a price on? It's not your house, car, or stock portfolio, it's your health. The wealthiest understand health is their most valuable asset. They treat well-being as a proactive investment. Your body is your vehicle for achieving dreams. Would you let your car run on fumes? Would you neglect its maintenance? Of course not. The wealthy treat their bodies with the same respect and care they give their businesses. They prioritize fitness to fuel energy and enhance focus. A strong body leads to a strong mind. This isn't about vanity, it's about lasting success. You can't enjoy wealth if you're not healthy. Invest in your well-being. Make time for exercise. Prioritize sleep. Nourish your body. These habits are strategic investments in your future. Just want to say a quick hello. As a new and growing channel, our mission is simple: to bring you content that inspires, informs, and adds real value to your life. But before we dive in, could I ask a quick favor? If you enjoy the show, find value in what we're building here, and want to support us, the easiest way to do that is by hitting the subscribe button. In return, my team and I promise to keep pushing harder than ever to make this show better for you every single week. We'll listen to your feedback, create the content you want to see, and keep improving with every step. Thank you for being part of this journey. We couldn't do it without you. Now let's get back to our video. Now let's talk about education. Education is a lifelong pursuit, a continuous journey of growth. The wealthy see it as an investment, not an expense. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it becomes. Invest in yourself through courses, seminars, and coaching. The greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and watch your life transform. Let's talk about relationships. Not just any relationships, but the kind that open doors and propel you towards your goals. See, wealthy individuals, they get this. They understand that true wealth isn't built in isolation. They're out there, actively building a network of power players. They attend industry conferences, host exclusive gatherings, and join elite clubs. Why? Because they know that surrounding themselves with driven, successful individuals creates an environment where opportunities flourish. And it's not just about attending these events, it's about actively engaging. It's about being present, being a powerful listener, and offering genuine value to those you connect with. That's how you transform casual encounters into lasting, mutually beneficial relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. Invest in it, nurture it, and watch as it becomes a powerful catalyst for your own success. Because when you elevate those around you, you inevitably rise alongside them. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. But how we use that time determines the trajectory of our lives. You see, successful people, they understand that time is their most precious commodity, more valuable than money itself. That's why they're masters of outsourcing. They delegate mundane tasks, freeing up their time and mental energy for high-impact activities. Think about it. Would you rather spend your day bogged down by errands and paperwork, or strategizing your next business move, nurturing relationships, and pursuing passions? Outsourcing isn't about laziness. It's about strategic leverage. It's about having the wisdom to recognize what tasks drain your energy and the decisiveness to entrust them to capable hands. This frees you to focus on what truly moves the needle in your life. Remember, every minute you spend on something you can outsource is a minute taken away from pursuing your dreams, connecting with loved ones, and living a life of purpose. Take control of your time, and you take control of your destiny. We live in a world where first impressions matter. People make judgments in seconds, and those judgments can impact your career, your relationships, and your overall success. The wealthy understand this, and they've mastered the art of personal branding. Now, personal branding isn't about vanity. It's about strategically crafting an image that aligns with your goals and values. It's about communicating your unique strengths and expertise to the world, instantly building trust and credibility. Think about it. When you see someone dressed impeccably, with confident body language and a warm, genuine smile, don't you automatically perceive them as more competent, trustworthy, and successful? That's the power of a strong personal brand. Investing in your image, whether it's through professional styling, photography, or public speaking coaching, is an investment in your future. It's about ensuring that you're presenting your best self to the world, commanding respect, and attracting the opportunities you deserve. You know, they say knowledge is power, right? But let me tell you, that's only half the story. It's like having a high-powered sports car with no idea where to drive it. It's the quality of the information that makes all the difference. Wealthy individuals don't waste time with gossip or endless social media. They invest in specialized publications and industry journals. Those niche newsletters deliver laser-focused insights. They're looking for the cutting edge, the strategic advantage. Remember, you are the product of what you consume. Feed your mind with the right kind of information. Seek out sources that challenge you and provide actionable insights. See the world from a different perspective. In today's fast-paced world, information is constantly changing. The wealthy stay ahead of the curve. They're lifelong learners, always seeking that edge. And that, my friends, is a game changer. Listen, we all need guidance on our journey to success. We all need someone who's been there, done that, and can help us navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come our way. And that's where mentorship comes in. Now, some people might think mentorship is about finding a guru on a mountaintop. But it's not about that at all. It's about finding someone who's achieved what you want to achieve and is willing to share their wisdom and experience. Think of it as an investment, because that's exactly what it is. You're investing in your own growth, in shortening your learning curve, in avoiding costly mistakes. A good mentor can help you clarify your vision, develop your strategy, and hold you accountable for taking massive action. And the wealthy? They get this. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they're not afraid to invest in someone who can help them maximize it. They surround themselves with mentors, coaches, and advisors who push them to think bigger, act bolder, and achieve at levels they never thought possible. We've all heard the saying, dress for the job you want, not the job you have. The same principle applies to your environment. Your spaces impact your mindset, productivity, and results. Can you perform at your peak in a cluttered space or surrounded by distractions? Of course not. Wealthy individuals invest in their environment. They create spaces that inspire and energize them, spaces that support peak performance. Invest in ergonomic furniture and natural lighting. Surround yourself with beauty and art, reminders of your goals and aspirations. Your environment reflects your standards. It's a statement about who you are. Is your environment setting you up for success? You deserve a space that empowers you. We've talked about the importance of relationships, but let's get real. Not all connections are created equal. The wealthy understand this. They're not just networking at the local coffee shop. They're buying their way into exclusive circles. Think high-end clubs, private events, mastermind groups where the movers and shakers gather. Now, before you say, that's not fair, understand this. It's not about the money itself. It's about what that money buys. It's about access. It's about being in the room where opportunities are presented, deals are struck, and fortunes are made. These exclusive networks aren't just about making friends. They're about strategic alliances that can catapult your success. Think of it like an investment. You're paying for access to a concentrated pool of high-net-worth individuals, industry leaders, and potential mentors. You're buying into a network of shared knowledge, experience, and resources that you won't find anywhere else. Are you willing to invest in yourself at that level? Because let me tell you, the right connection can change everything. It can open doors, you didn't even know existed. And that, my friends, is priceless. You can have all the money in the world, but without the right skills, you'll watch it disappear faster than you can say bankruptcy. Wealthy individuals understand this, and they invest heavily in developing what I call wealth multiplying skills. I'm talking about the ability to negotiate like a pro, to lead with charisma and influence, to communicate with clarity and persuasion. These aren't just soft skills, they're power skills, and they're essential for creating, managing, and growing wealth. Think about it. Every business deal, every investment decision, every interaction you have involves these skills. Mastering negotiation can mean the difference between a good deal and a great one. Strong leadership attracts the right people and inspires them to achieve extraordinary results. And effective communication builds trust, closes deals, and creates opportunities. These skills are the foundation upon which financial success is built. They are the tools that allow you to leverage your knowledge, your network, and your resources to create lasting wealth and impact. Don't underestimate their importance. Let's talk about taxes. We work hard for our money, and the last thing we want is to see a big chunk of it disappear. The wealthy understand taxes are a game and hire expert strategists. Minimizing tax burden means maximizing wealth. It's about optimizing your financial structure to pay what you legally owe. Get expert advice, develop a strategy, and keep more of what you earn. We're talking about building real wealth, the kind that doesn't disappear overnight, the kind that grows steadily, powerfully, year after year. The wealthy understand this principle deeply. They're not chasing quick flips or get-rich-quick schemes. They're playing the long game. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You need a solid foundation that can weather any storm. That foundation, my friends, is made up of reliable long-term investments, real estate with its tangible value and potential for appreciation, blue-chip stocks representing established companies with proven track records, index funds offering diversification and steady growth over time. These aren't flashy, attention-grabbing investments, but they're the bedrock of lasting wealth. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Plant those seeds, nurture them with patience and strategy, and watch your wealth grow into a mighty oak. Now let's talk about thinking outside the box. Because wealth isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet, is it? It's about living a life of abundance, of passion, of leaving a legacy that resonates for generations. This is where diversifying into unique assets comes in. We're talking about things like art, fine wine, rare collectibles. These are investments that speak to your soul, that ignite your passions, while also appreciating in value over time. Imagine owning a piece of history, a masterpiece that captivates the eye and sparks conversation. Imagine uncorking a vintage wine that has matured to perfection, sharing it with loved ones, creating memories that will last a lifetime. These are the experiences that true wealth affords. It's about surrounding yourself with beauty, with history, with things that bring you joy and connect you to something larger than yourself. And yes, it's also a savvy financial strategy, as these assets often appreciate significantly over time, becoming valuable legacies to pass down through generations. We live in a world obsessed with stories. The stories we tell ourselves, the stories others tell about us, they shape our reality. Wealthy individuals understand this power. They invest in crafting their narrative, ensuring the world sees their vision, their values, their victories. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a CEO, but here's the thing, everyone has a story. You have a unique voice, a perspective that deserves to be heard. Owning your narrative isn't about manipulating perception. It's about taking control of your message. It's about communicating your passions, your purpose, your journey with authenticity and intention. Whether it's building your personal brand online, sharing your expertise in your industry, or simply being conscious of how you present yourself in everyday interactions, remember, you have the power to shape your narrative. Own it, and watch how it transforms the way the world responds to you. We've talked about investing, about building businesses, about mastering your mindset. But there's another crucial element to wealth creation that often gets overlooked. Liquidity. You see, opportunity doesn't wait for you to get your finances in order. It comes knocking, and when it does, you need to be ready to answer. Wealthy individuals understand this. They maintain a healthy cash flow, keeping a portion of their wealth readily accessible. This isn't about being reckless, it's about being strategic. It's about having the financial freedom to seize opportunities as they arise. Imagine a once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity comes your way, or a chance to partner with a game-changing entrepreneur. Are you prepared to take action? Having liquidity empowers you to make bold moves, to capitalize on moments that could catapult you to the next level. Remember, wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about having the resources to design the life you desire. Liquidity is the fuel that propels you towards those dreams. We've journeyed together through 15 secrets of the wealthy, 15 principles that can transform your relationship with money, with time, with opportunity. Remember, wealth isn't just about the size of your bank account, it's about the richness of your life, the impact you make, the legacy you leave behind. It's about aligning your mindset, your habits, your actions with abundance. It's about investing in yourself, in your growth, in your network. It's about taking control of your narrative and being prepared to seize life's golden opportunities. The journey to wealth starts with a single step, a decision to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace a world of possibility. The power to unlock your wealth potential lies within you. Now go out there, take action, and create the extraordinary life you deserve.